So what we need is a yard of fabric, 60 inches wide. Right now it's folded, so you take it out. This one is woven fabric, so it has a little stretch. And this helps when you have it on your head so it doesn't slip off. So when you get cotton fabric, make sure you have a little stretch in it. Some people use silk, but I like to use cotton with a little stretch in it because it stays on my head longer. So this is 60 inches wide and a yard. So what I'm going to do is cut along the selvage. I'm going to measure about 30 inches. Now this will depend on how much hair you have or how big you want your gaylay, but I like to fold it in half, like when I'm putting it on, fold it in half, and too much this way will hinder when you try to tie it. So 30 inches is my sweet spot. So what I do is I measure 30 inches here. So like I said before, if you have a lot of hair, you can make it a little bit wider. But this should accommodate most people. So I just clip the edge and rip it so I get a straight seam. You rip it so that everything is straight and you don't have to cut the whole thing. So there you go. That's the gaylay size. So it's 30 inches along the selvage and 60 inches wide. So 6 inches wide, where you can, there's a little bit of stretch. So now what we have to do is finish the edges. I don't know if you can see this, but if you see the selvage, you see how it's unfinished edge. So what you're going to do is cut the selvage off and serge along the whole thing. And we're going to do that right now. So make sure you have the rolled hem foot on your serger because it gives you a very, very narrow hem. And basically you just serge the edges as close to the edge as possible so that you keep as much as the fabric. You don't want to cut off too much. See, and it gives you a nice roll. So you do this to all four sides. I like to just loop it around so that so you don't have to cut it, and it also gives you a cleaner edge. You just cut this off, and then you see the loop, and you just cut each one off at each edge. And now you have a perfectly hemmed gaylay that you can wrap whichever way you want. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the notification bell for new videos. And if you have any questions, ask in the comments. This is Zahia from Cover Me Chic, making modest fashion look fabulous on you. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.